I know this might be looking a little way forward, but how big is LaSalle winning that third set in what we think is the overall story of the season?
So while the game was unfolding and Lasal was backed up in a corner against this UST team, lalo na sila yung tipong nag-end ng streaks natin this team. So for them to step up and just regain that composure, which Coach Remelo reminded in one of his timeouts, that's big kasi they're responding to challenges now. I think a lot of the games this season naman challenging for Lasal, but of course, in the second round, challenges would be more difficult. Nababasa na din siguro ng mga teams how they rotate. Kasi nung una, nabanggit ko naman nung first few episodes natin this season. This LaSalle team is relatively unscouted as an ensemble together kasi, di ba, nagtago tayo ng preseason eh. But obviously now, 8 to 9 games in, mas masusubukan ka na kasi there's a lot of evidence now for teams to work with.